Greetings, I'm Abhay Mangaldas. MG stands for Mangaldas Girdhardas. He was my great-grandfather. He built this house in the early 20th century. We started renovations in the late 90s and it took almost 2 decades to transform it to what you see today. Agashiye, a terrace restaurant serving the Gujarati thali, was our first venture in this building. We now have 3 slow food restaurants, the other 2 being a courtyard cafe and a small city cafe. All of them serve family recipes which can also be found in our signature cookbooks. The House of MG has in total 46 rooms and suites, including those in 2 other heritage properties in the walled city. Our team of 200-odd staff are enthusiastic young men and women, primarily from villages. All our furniture and fixtures are handmade by local artisans, also from the neighborhood. In fact, almost every movable item in the hotel is available for purchase to support these artisans. We have museum-quality textiles and archival family photos decorating our walls, including those in our in-house galleries. There are 3 shops on the premises, one for handcrafted gifts, one for antiques and heirlooms, and one for heritage books. There's also a spa, a gym, and an indoor swimming pool that guests can enjoy. Our facility and service, I believe, are at par with the finest modern hotels, yet very unique in their character. At the House of MG, guests feel as if they've come home. I am so glad that now visitors from all across the world come to enjoy our hospitality. We look forward to seeing you too.